Hi everyone, today I will show how to quickly create a similar 3D tunnel. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline. Go to Fusion, add S-ellipse and S-render nodes. In the S-ellipse node, disable the solid parameter. Use border width parameter to set the circle outline thickness. In the Style tab, set the color. Add Image Plane 3D, Duplicate 3D, and Merge 3D. In the Duplicate 3D node, set the number of the copies and arrange the rings. Add a Render 3D. Connect everything to Media Out. Add Camera 3D and animate the camera moving through the tunnel. Add soft glow, adjust effect. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget subscribe to channel.